Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect to server with error custom UI set command couldn't set value, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So I'll show you two solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is you're going to open up your start menu and then you're going to open up run, you're going to go into app data. Now you're going to go to your Hytale's location, so the default location should be in roaming, Hytale, and then you're going to go into user data and then you're going to go into mods, and then you're either going to delete everything from this mods folder or you're just going to move everything out of this folder and put it into any other location, and you can try to play the game then. If that fixes your issue, then good, but if it doesn't, then I have another solution for you. So what you can do next is you can go on to this link and then you're going to download this multiple HUD mod on your game. What this mod does is it lets you have multiple HUDs on your game. So you're going to click on to install via app, and then you're going to click download CusForge, and then you're going to install the mod on your game. And once it's done, now you can try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that custom UI error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.